Hey friends, who's hungry? Forget the races. Instead, place your bet on this homemade Kentucky Derby pie. In a large mixing bowl, combine 4 large eggs, half a cup of cooled melted butter, 1 cup of light corn syrup, 3 tablespoons of bourbon, 1 cup of light brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Whisk together the ingredients until the sugar is dissolved. Next, add 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half a cup of chopped walnuts. Mix together until the chocolate and nuts are evenly incorporated throughout the filling. Pour the filling into a 9-inch unbaked pie shell, then bake at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes until the center of the pie is set. If the pie begins to brown too quickly, loosely cover it with aluminum foil. Allow the pie to cool completely for several hours on a wire rack before serving. Follow me for more Southern recipes.